What is Brent crude oil? Brent is a benchmark grade of oil extracted in the North Sea. It became such due to the reliability of supplies, the presence of several independent suppliers, and its readiness for purchase by many consumers and processors. The name of the grade comes from the eponymous field in the North Sea, discovered in 1970. The word Brent is formed from the first letters of the names of the horizons: Broom, Renak, Etiv, Ness, and Tarbert. It is essentially a mixture of oils extracted from offshore fields between the coasts of Norway and Scotland. Brent is one of the main types of oil traded on international oil exchanges. Since 1971, the price of Brent has been the basis for pricing about 40% of all world oil grades. The Brent blend is classified as light, low-sulfur oil, and in terms of its characteristics, surpasses the second popular grade from the USA, WTI, which is usually processed in Northwest Europe, but under favorable price conditions, can be delivered for processing in the USA and the Mediterranean. Periodically, discussions arise about the justification for further use of Brent crude oil as a benchmark for determining prices in the world market. This is due to the decrease in oil production volumes in the North Sea fields, which leads to distortions in determining the price of both the grade itself and other brands of oil. Why is Brent important for traders? Brent is an important benchmark that determines oil prices around the world. This type of light oil with low sulfur content is often more preferable than heavy sour crude. This grade can be easily processed into gasoline and diesel fuel. Transporting heavier types of crude oil is much more difficult because they do not pass through the pipelines as easily as Brent. Therefore, a premium higher price is set for Brent. Overall, 2/3 of the oil traded on the international market is valued in relation to Brent. Despite the fact that the oil market is global, crude oil has many regional varieties. Each type is slightly different from another in terms of sulfur content and viscosity. Brent and WTI are considered the most common in the world.